Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial on how to view statements on your wine portfolio. Statements are a great way to keep track of your wine and whiskey portfolio. There's a lot of information provided on the monthly statements, which I will go through with you in a second. To access and download the monthly statements, log into your portfolio on SureHoldings.com. Once logged in, and you can click on the left side banner, you can click on Statements. When the statement screen is loaded up, you can actually see the available monthly statements on the screen, and from here you can pick any or click any of the months and it will automatically download the statement straight to your device into a PDF format. Once you've downloaded the statement into a PDF and open it up, you can see that your name and information is on there. Just check all your information is correct. If you want to update that, you can do that through your profile. It will also give you a summary of the statement, which will give you the original value of the wines, the current total value of your wines, and the percentage return on investment. It will also show you the statement date, your account number, and the statement period. Onto the statement itself, and if you look at the first section, which is the purchase summary. So if you want to see what your portfolio manager has purchased during that month, it's right at the top, and it shows the date, the product name, the purchase price, the quantity, the total cost of the purchase, and the percentage return so far of the date that you downloaded the statement. The next section is wines sold section. This is any wines that were sold and processed during the month. Again, we have the date, the product name, the price sold per case, because sometimes it can be half case or full case of 12 bottles, or even a 3-bottle case. Then we have the quantity, the total value sold, and the percentage return, which is from the time you purchased to the time that you actually sold the product. The next section is the wines for sale section, and this shows you the wines that are put for sale during that particular month. And same as the other sections, you can see the date, the product name. This time you have the selling price, the quantity, and the percentage return. Right at the bottom you can see any outstanding amounts due on your account, perhaps for storage fees or other wines that are not yet paid for. So if you have products for sale during that month, then the storage fees that may show in the outstanding due section can be offset from your wine sales when they're processed. And that's it. I hope the video helped. Don't forget to send us an email, support@sureholdings.com, if you have any questions or advice on how we can make this feature better. Thanks for watching.